Terrebonne Parish. What a great day for the taxpayers of Terrebonne Parish. And the completion of the splash park with a beautiful job. We just had a flag ceremony at the front of the park for the American flag, the state of Louisiana flag, and the Terrebonne Parish flag. And again, I want to thank the Marine Corps League for putting it on. It's a great day over here in Terrebonne Parish, a park that has taken years to come about. You know, as you can see in the back, we have the fishing piers, we have the baseball fields, we have the soccer fields, along with the bathrooms, and now with the grand opening of the splash park. It includes a 9,000 square foot splash pad, which is a very large splash pad. Family beach area to my right. Men and women's restroom, parking off a Bayou Country Parkway. Oil field equipment incorporated into design donated by Quality Industries. We'd like to thank Quality Industries and Steve Hebert family. Sean Dupre is on the Rec 23 board. Contractor, LA Contracting. Architect, Joey Four. And we definitely like to thank Rec 23 for the beautiful job. They handled the construction of it, and we're going to get someone from Rec 23 to come up in a minute. And the construction cost was $1.4 million. $250,000 from the Land and Water Conservation Fund, $1.15 from the Recreation 2-3 funds. One 2-acre pond with fishing piers that we have built, the parish, one 3.5-acre pond with fishing piers, stocked with rainbow trout, catfish, bluegill brim. Later this month, we will be stocking largemouth bass, 10,000 of them. The lights at the boys' baseball is the spot lighting for all 5 fields in the boys' baseball cluster. The council awarded it this week. Construction of the lights, and that will complete the 5 baseball fields for the boys. The girls is already completely completed, and it'll be completed October 2021. Construction cost $697,500. The boys' baseball common area is concrete pads, seating areas at baseball cluster, audio system for fields, grading and drainage on site, scoring tables and bleachers. Estimated cost $404,959. Anticipated start September 2021. Soccer field expansion, which is going on right now. Additional access road to the Bayou Country Sportsplex off of the Valhalla entrance. Additional limestone parking for soccer. 2 additional soccer fields with irrigation and field drainage. 2 fields will have lighting in soccer. 3 beach volleyball courts. Recreational beach area. So we're going to build another beach area. This beach area has been so popular, being the first beach in Terrebonne Parish. We're going to build another one over there by the concession, right off the concession stand by the soccer fields. Anticipated start date September 2021. All South Engineering is engineering that. Stevie Smith and his group. Bayou Country Sports Parkway, Connector Road, the soccer concession stand, improved soccer parking area and fishing piers. That's all been completed. You know, we've come a long way thanks to Rec 23, the people of Terrebonne Parish. And I better mention my lovely wife, Mona Dove, that just walked up with one of our grandbabies. I have my other grandson here, Hudson. And, you know, it's a great day. A lot of people put a lot of effort in it. Roddy LaRio is administering the programs. Dean Schwess has done wonderful. With we incorporated this into the same management group as the Civic Center. And that way we didn't increase any personnel and no cost to the taxpayers. And of course they're keeping the grass up, and as you can see, it's moving along. We built the docks. This facility is debt free, you know, and it's just getting better. You know, we're getting money from capital outlay, and I also I see my daughter Rachel here. I don't want to forget her, and you know, we've come a long way. We have a lot of people here today. You know, we've got City Marshal Fitch, Mr. Fitch over here, City Marshal Fitch, the sheriff, which I'm gonna get up him to come say a few words in a minute, and Darren Guidry, our council chairman, and of course Jeff Touton, and who was on a member of the rec board when this was built and started construction. So with that, I'm going to go ahead, and we got Mike Toops, the manager, over here. I'm trying not to miss anyone. And so with that, I'm going to turn it over to the sheriff for a few minutes. Sheriff, would you like to come say a few words?
Look, it is a great day for Terrebonne. The flag, when you roll into the property, you see the American flag. Most important thing, our forefathers and everybody who served long before I did, I spent 22 years, have laid the foundation so we can enjoy a little freedoms. And every day when they roll into the park and they want to enjoy, maybe there's a reminder of the price that was paid for us to enjoy the freedoms. The water park, I want to jump in right now. But maybe some of us might jump in after, but we'll promise to keep our shirts on. Because look, most of us are Marines, we not so lean anymore. We're really not so mean, but we still determined. So, but it's a great place. It's a great place for today and for Terrebonne Parish. And you know, I'm hoping to see children. I'm probably gonna take my grandson out there, so I'll have an excuse to get in there and get wet with him. But other than that, thank all of y'all. I appreciate all of y'all being out here to support this the grand opening of this facility. Thank you.
Thank you, Sheriff. And Mr. Darren Guidry, the council chairman.
Thank you, Mr. Dove. I'm proud to represent the council here today. You know, this project started 3 years ago by the old Rec 23 board when they applied to the state of Louisiana for a grant to build a splash pad. The new board, the new reorganized board, took the project over, ran with it, built this project, and at the toward the very end of it, the parish came in, added the last minute touches with the beach and everything, and then here we are. So it's truly a group effort between Rec 23, the parish, and really the voters of Terrebonne Parish. Because you vote in your recreation millage, and this is part of what your millage is used for, recreation. So when you have fun here, thank yourself as well, because you guys ponied up some of the money to help pay for this. So thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to splashing in it too. Thanks.
And we also have Miss Jessica Domingue, who just walked up. Jessica, say a few words, please.
Hey, thank you so much. Thank you to Mr. Dove, the administration, Rec 23 for finally getting this up, getting this going. It's been a long time since these kiddos got to splash, and I know they're looking forward to it. We didn't get to splash last year, but we'll be able to stay wet all summer. This entire park has just been amazing what we've been able to do with the help of administration and Rec 23. And there's a lot of great things coming in recreation and quality of life in Terrebonne Parish. And so we definitely look forward to everything and looking forward to the summer. Have fun, guys.
Mr. Robbie Liner, chairman of the Recreation 2-3 board, who's done a great job on this. Mr. Liner?
Just want to say thank you to the parish. It was a great partnership between the two of us, and just a special thanks to all the board members, previous and current. We put a lot of time, a lot of effort in this. Everyone volunteered their time, so just a special thank you to every single board member that's been there from the new rec board to now. Couldn't do it without all of y'all. It's a lot of time that goes into these projects, like I said, 3 years. So this is a great opportunity for the parish to enjoy quality of life.
Thank you very much for it, and another shout out to Sophie Bro, my granddaughter. That I see her over here too. And with that, Jeff Touton, please. Jeff's been an instrumental partner with baseball and other recreation for many, many years. And please say a few words, Mr. Touton.
Thank you, Gordy. I appreciate it. You know, this was a real undertaking, this park here. I was fooling with this since we offered to swap the property with the Danos family, I'm going to guess 10 years ago. And took a long time to bring it to where it is. And, you know, I'm no longer on the board. I'm just getting too old. But I'm a used car salesman. I got a story. I was in Sterlington about a month ago. Now, Sterlington's a little town north of Monroe. They have a fabulous park like this. Problem is, it's bankrupt. You know, a lot of these towns and communities went out and they borrowed a lot of money. I think they in the tune of about 30 million. Now, Gordy, correct me if I'm wrong, there's no debt on this park.
No debt.
No debt whatsoever. The parish owns it. What we got is paid for, and as we do it, it'll be paid for. And I think that was through everybody's effort, especially. How many guys, well, hold your hand up if you on the district with me. Recreation 2-3, okay. These guys are on there and we, you know, we got it done. Ran into a few little difficulties, but we're here. The kids are gonna play, and thank you very much.
Our new city marshal, it's great. It's an honor to work with him and, of course, the sheriff. But he's done a great job as city marshal.
Thank you, Mr. Dove. It is a pleasure to be here today and to see everything that's going on. You know, I've lived in Terrebonne Parish all my life. And just last week, I looked on Facebook and see how many people were saying we needed a change around here. Well, I hope all these people that was on Facebook putting their opinions out there come and take a look at this. Because if you do, you're going to see that Terrebonne Parish is moving ahead and we're not falling back. Thank you.
And I want to thank Debbie Artigo and, of course, Ann Piku who puts all this on. And, you know, we have a great administration, good council to work with. And with that, we're going to go ahead and move, and we're going to cut the ribbon. Everyone's welcome to it. We'll cut the ribbon back here, and then we'll turn Hudson Ramirez, my grandson, is gonna start one of the faucets, one of the water valves, and I think we got a couple of other ones that's gonna start some of the water valves, some other kids here. So with that, please come on over here and let's cut the ribbon. And as of today, this park will be open. They will have bathrooms. We have the beach. Now there's no swimming in the pond, but it is buoyed off because it's just not made for swimming. It's more of a beach area. So with that, y'all please come up here and let's cut the ribbon, and God bless Terrebonne Parish of the United States of America. Wonderful, wonderful day. And thanks everyone for coming out here. And I see the kids are ready to hit the splash park, and the splash park water is chlorinated. So it is chlorinated water. It's very, 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 very safe, and it's a very good system that was designed by the engineers.